One basic need that we have as human beings is to be understood. Think about a hostage negotiation. Those negotiators, what they don't do is they don't walk into the building or start talking to the person that's got a bomb strapped on them and say, what are you, an idiot? Do you have any idea? Like, you're going to blow yourself and other people up. Do you understand what you're doing?
Yeah.
Obviously, that would be unhelpful and inflammatory.
Right. What
do? They go in and they say, so what's your name? My name's Fred. Fred, this is a pretty tough situation. Like, what brought us here today? What got us here? What made you think this was kind of your only option? Calm tones.
Yeah.
Drawing out.
Yeah.
And then listen. Make that person feel understood. Now, what are we doing by that? We're building trust because people like to be understood. This has to be done in a level of genuineness.
Mm-hmm.
But I think it's contrary to our primary instincts as leaders. So if you're somebody trying to lead a team, your primary instinct is to persuade, maybe even coerce, just at all costs, make them do it the way you see best, because maybe you see the vision. Maybe it's not even a bad thing, but you see something positive, a positive outcome using that automation, a positive outcome, being able to have everybody do things, but they're just not doing it. They're being quietly obstinate. Mm-hmm. And that happens at ABSI all the time. And I have to look, understand, and know, okay, I'm getting quiet obstinance. Why? Maybe I need to go ask. Maybe I need to say, help me understand. Rather than running over somebody and trying to persuade them, why don't you try to understand them first?